Hello and welcome. In this video, we want to demo you how to use the document information extraction template activity inside your automations. In this demo, we will work with the supplier invoice upload for intelligent invoice scanning bot for SAP Business One. This bot is employing the document information extraction service, and we can find it in the sub-automation called extract values using docs. When we open this sub-automation, we can find an activity, extract data without template. To access document information extraction related activities, we must add the corresponding dependency. Go to Settings, Dependencies, click on Add Dependency, and search for Document Information Extraction SDK. Add this to the bot. This dependency contains all document information extraction related activities. Next, let us add the template functionality of document information extraction. So far, we have used a pre-built model for extracting data from invoices. In case the invoices we receive are using a different format, we can increase extraction accuracy by building our own document information extraction templates. Click on the plus symbol, Create, and Document Template. We select Create a new template, give it a name, and upload a sample document. In the next window, you can choose which type of document you're working with: invoice, purchase order, payment advice, or custom document type. As this bot is working with invoices, we're going to select that option. Next, we must choose the extraction schema. A schema defines which fields will be extracted from a document, and a template defines where those fields can be found in the document. That means that a template will always be based upon a schema. We do not want to use a pre-built extraction schema here, but rather create our own. Give it a name. And then we can choose which document fields, header or item fields, we want to extract. For simplicity's sake, we'll select all options. After adding the new schema, we can open the document information extraction template editor to annotate our template. We can also open it later on from SAP Process Automation. We select our sample document and click on Annotate in the top right corner and edit. Now we can match the previous chosen fields to the document by clicking on Values, for example here, and selecting the corresponding field. To add an item, let's first add a new row, and then let's add the description of this item. Then click on Save, and last, activate your activity. You can also add your own custom fields. This cannot be done yet using the Add Document Template button in SAP Process Automation. You have to add custom fields in the Document Information Extraction user interface. We first must create a copy of our own previously created schema. Let's go to Schema Configuration. We created Schema 2. Let's create a copy and work with this copy. Now here we can add a new custom field. Let us add a custom field to extract the customer code given in the document. Select the data type. You can also select a default extractor which provides a fallback to machine learning solutions if the template doesn't deliver the expected results. But here, we do not have a corresponding fallback value. We first have to deactivate it, then click Edit, and change the schema. We can then edit the annotation and add the customer code, which is this one. Click on Save and activate the template. Back in SAP Process Automation, we can also see our annotated template. To use the created template in our automation, let us add the extract data with template activity. Here, you can point to the newly created document template. The other inputs are the same as for the extract data without template activity. Let us delete the unused activities and update this input value to point to the extract data template step. You can also choose the option Detect automatically in the document template dropdown. If you have multiple templates for one schema, document information extraction will automatically choose the best fitting template. Let us save the bot and let's test it in the end. We will open the main automation and start a debugging session. Click on the play button, and I've already filled in all the values: the root folder path, the config exe file name, the Business One tenant URL, the Business One database name, and our credential entry name. We click on test and wait for the bot to execute. We can now see that the test session has ended. Let us check in the log file for the output. Here we can see that the upload of the invoice file has been successful. Let us also quickly have a look what happened in the extract data with template activity. Here we can see all the data that has been returned by document information extraction service. For example, the document number that we annotated previously. That concludes this video. Thank you for tuning in.